Guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. This video contains a very beautiful, elegant and stylish patterns of borderline embroidery designs for dresses. These borderline designs of embroidery could be used for making onto the four corners of your dupatta, shawl, stroller, even onto the sari pallus, onto the sleeves borders, onto your trousers borders, and many more creativities. Some sort of heavy line borderline embroideries have been shown, which are giving extremely formal look, and shiny thread like silky thread have been used to give them a more touch of formal and royal and elegancy. So if you want to give them more formal touch, then you can make use of mirror work, beads, pearls, and sequences as well. So if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share because subscribers are very important. And with your love and support, we have reached at this level. In this video, different type of borderline embroideries have been shown, which you can use for making your necklines very beautiful and pretty. In parallel fashion, you can create a long neckline as well. Different type of shaded fabrics that gives a very beautiful, creative, and eye-catchy look to the designs. You can also make these very beautiful patterns of borderline embroidery onto your baby girl dresses like baby girl frocks, baby girl jackets, baby girl shirts, and even baby girl trousers. Also, even you can make the use of these borderline embroidery patterns onto your DIY accessories like bed sheets, cushion covers, pillow covers, quilt covers, and many more other creativities like towel embroidery, like prayer mat, like tablecloth, and as per your own choices, you can use it. So thank you so much for watching.